Hello everyone and welcome to a new tech tip. I always get people asking me how they can log into multiple different Microsoft 365 accounts without things becoming a mess, because you can basically have multiple accounts, maybe for different companies, maybe you have a personal, maybe you have a business, but your browser will save all of these profiles and it can become really messy, especially if you've got a personal account and a business account and you want to use them on the same computer. The easiest way to get around this is to use profiles. So I recommend using Microsoft Edge if you're working with Microsoft 365 because it integrates nicely, as you would expect. And if you want to have multiple accounts on the same computer, use profiles in Microsoft Edge. So if you see up here in the top right, it's a picture of my face, and that's because I'm logged into Edge as my business profile. So if I click on this, see that Matt at blisstech.co.uk is logged into this profile, and I have other profiles. So if I go into the manage profile settings, so in here I can do different things with my profile preferences, but the one I'm interested in right here at the bottom is profile preferences, and where the magic happens is you need to turn this on to say automatically sign into your account with your current school or work account. So basically what this will do is, if whatever profile you're logged into, if you've chosen to synchronize the profile, which I'll show you in a second, and you're synchronizing it using a Microsoft 365 account, it will automatically log you on to Microsoft 365 in that profile as that account. And it stops all of this confusion about which profile am I using. So just show you how to create a new profile. So if I click on this and click add profile and then add, it's as simple as that. It will pop up, load the new profile, and if you look down at the bottom of my screen, you'll see here I've got a new Edge window has opened with that for that profile. I've got my other profile here and other ones. So once I've created that profile, Edge will pop up and ask me, do I want to sign in to sync the data? So if you want to make the best out of your different profiles and have them automatically signed in, click sign in to sync the data, enter the details for one of your Microsoft 365 accounts, and then make that setting change, which I'll show you again, is in profile preferences, automatically sign in with current school or work account. Then you can have multiple profiles open. It will automatically log you into those, and it should save any confusion about which account you're using. Incidentally, something else cool you can do is change the appearance. So if you've got different profiles, you can change the different appearance of those profiles. So it's quite easy to see which profile you're actually using. And this is an example of that, where it's automatically trying to log me in with the profile that I'm logged into. So there you go. I hope this tip has helped.